Man, I can't find a job.
I know it's hard since we're just out of high school.
I got the job for you. It's a place that hires right out of high school. It is a manufacturing company, Kenson Plastics.
I guess it wouldn't hurt to see it.
Before you accept the job here, I'm sure you want to know what you'll be doing. And I know just the guy who can explain it.
So what I'm currently doing now is scanning this aircraft bezel here that you see on the screen. That scan is going to compare the points that I'm taking with the laser and comparing it to the CAD model to tell if the part is correct or incorrect.
Another thing they do here is molding, and I know another guy that can teach you about that.
Hi, my name is Anthony Russell. I am a thermoformer at Kenson Plastics. We take our plastics and then we vacuum form them to aluminum molds. This part right here that I have is for our Collins Aerospace company. We do a lot of the interior of the airplane parts, seating and walls and stuff like that. My whole goal is to make sure that I make the best part possible.
I want to apply for this job. I never knew manufacturing was so cool.
Yeah, I really want to work here.
That sounds great. Let me go get David. He's an owner that can interview you.
Mr. O'Leary, what are some possible skills you're looking for when hiring possible employees?
We like candidates with good math skills, good skills in measuring, good attitude, and good attendance.
Here are our resumes. I believe you'll find we have the skills for this job.
Great.
All right, let's sit down for an interview. Can you explain to me a little bit about the experiences that you've had?
I've taken a variety of machinery classes at my high school. I've taken some CAD classes and 3D printing classes.
Great, thanks very much for your time. We'll be in touch.
Thank you.
Thanks very much for your time. I'll let you know. Good afternoon, this is Dave from Kenson. I was calling to offer you the job. Are you interested?
I'd love to work there. Can't wait to start.
Yeah, sounds great.
Okay, great. Well, we look forward to having you join the team.